Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and starting the transfer right away. Connect both phones to the same Wi-Fi and plug them in, then sign into the same Google or Apple ID on each device so backups align. Open the backup settings on the old phone, confirm app data backup is enabled, and start a manual backup now. Once done, enable device visibility or nearby share on the new phone so the transfer can be discovered and authenticated quickly. You now perform the core transfer step with the recommended method. Quick Start for iPhone, Google Restore for Android, or the phone maker's migration app. Choose to restore apps and their app data together. That preserves settings and logins. Decide between Wi-Fi Direct for convenience or a cable for speed and reliability, and keep both screens on and unlocked. Make sure you allow permissions on the old phone when prompted so data moves intact, and the process continues without interruption. You finish by verifying everything arrived properly. Open key apps to confirm contacts, messages, and settings restored. If any apps are missing, download them from the App Store and perform an app sign-in when required. Make sure to check app permissions and notification settings. If something fails, reboot both phones, reconnect to Wi-Fi, and reattempt the restore. Ensure the backup account on the old phone actually contains the latest backup as the primary troubleshooting step that fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.